Get ready for the action, because we are kicking things off right now with the New York Mets vs. Nationals series preview. We are diving deep into everything you need to know about the matchup and whether the team can keep things rolling without Clay Holmes in the lineup. This is the analysis you won't want to miss. Those moves set the stage for the current situation. We figure out what the Mets need right now to move forward. And finally, we get to the critical question about David Stearns' future. We ask if he will make the tough call to sell or buy, and what the immediate consequences will be for him and the organization. Don't miss this deep dive. Tune in now and stay with us for the rest of the news. The New York Mets face a crucial question as they prepare for their upcoming series against the Nationals. Can they maintain their momentum without the presence of Clay Holmes? Analysis and preview of the matchup is expected to be featured in an upcoming segment on News 8. Fans looking for detailed insights into the team's prospects and the impact of key personnel on their performance will find this coverage essential as the series approaches. The New York Mets face a critical juncture as they prepare for the upcoming series against the Nationals, with significant speculation surrounding the role of manager Clay Holmes. As the team looks to maintain momentum and keep things rolling, questions about the managerial stability and future direction of the squad are dominating sports commentary. Analysis leading into the Mets vs. Nationals series suggests that the team's ability to perform will hinge on internal dynamics and strategic decisions moving forward. Fans and analysts are keenly watching to see how the team navigates this period, seeking clarity on whether the current leadership structure is sufficient to propel the Mets to success in the series ahead. The New York Mets are facing a critical juncture as they look to maintain momentum without the services of Clay Holmes. As the team prepares for the upcoming Mets vs. Nationals series, questions surrounding the team's ability to keep things rolling without key personnel are dominating sports commentary. Analysts are closely examining the roster adjustments and the impact of Holmes' absence on the team's performance trajectory heading into this crucial matchup. Fans and observers are keenly focused on whether the Mets can sustain their current level of play and secure a positive outcome against the Nationals. Further analysis and predictions regarding the Mets' outlook are expected to emerge as the series approaches. The future of the New York Mets hinges on general manager David Stearns' decisions, with the organization facing a critical juncture regarding trades and roster construction. Stearns' off-season performance remains a point of discussion, though the focus is shifting to his approach at the trade deadline. Fans and critics are continuously dissecting the team's lack of aggression during the 2022 trade deadline and the aggressive fire-sale maneuvers of 2023. Stearns has remained non-committal regarding major buy or sell actions, capitalizing on a more competitive 2024 team and early 2025 success to build confidence. However, the current uncertainty surrounding trade deadline decisions presents a significant risk. Choosing the wrong asset could have lasting repercussions for Stearns. Comparing Stearns' actions to those of previous executives, such as with the Milwaukee Brewers, is cautioned against, as historical precedents do not always apply. While the team was already undergoing structural changes, the decision-making process has varied. In 2024, the Mets opted for cautious acquisitions, signing pitchers like Sean Manaea and Luis Severino and trading for Adrian Houser. This contrasts with the more aggressive roster moves seen in 2023. The crucial dilemma for Stearns lies in the upcoming trade deadline. If the Mets end up as buyers but fall short, Stearns faces the most severe fallout. Selling assets, even if it feels justified by replenishing the farm system, could ease future injury narratives, potentially securing another year for Stearns. Conversely, a failed buying spree carries immediate and damaging consequences. There is no current indication from owner Steve Cohen that Stearns is slated for dismissal, suggesting he may have a runway extending to at least the 2027 season. Stearns arrived with the mandate to leverage small market success for larger market impact. The question remains whether the organization will allow him the necessary latitude to execute a full rebuild through selling, or if the pressure of immediate results will dictate a different path. The ultimate test for Stearns will be whether he can successfully navigate this critical period without making a costly misstep.